friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sonic EXE, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose right in the center. Starting on the bottom, we're going to curve this up to the top, getting wider, arching that back around, and then getting thinner as we come down in towards the bottom of the base there. Now on the top of this, let's draw in a nice big sideways oval for the highlight. And then we'll just go ahead and color in our nose black. Moving up above, right in the center, we're going to draw in a small straight line. Let's frame in the eyes here. So on the left-hand side above the nose, we're going to curve this line up, tugging this all the way around, and then we're going to arch that into the middle of the nose. Let's step across on the right, replicating that. So again, curving this up, around, and then continuing to tuck that in on the bottom. Let's add in our pupils now. So stepping in on this line, we're going to draw in a nice big oval, lining that up at the exact same height on the right. We'll just replicate that. Now let's go ahead and color in this outside space black. Let's continue to frame in the face here. So coming down underneath for the mouth, we're going to draw in an arch line right in the center. And then now let's close this off on the bottom with an arch line. Now from here, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern across. So starting in the center, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. Again, we're going to pull that up on the side. Moving across again, bringing that back out. And then one more time, just pulling that through to the top. Now let's close off the chin. So coming over on the left-hand side, just below the top of our eye, we're going to curve this line around, tugging that over and in to the center. Let's step across on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to curve this over and in, blending that together in the center. Now for the cheeks, we're just going to round that out, curving that down on either side. Let's draw in the blood dripping pattern here. So on the left, I'm just going to curve that up, bringing that down, back up and in. And then we're just going to draw in a little teardrop shape here. Now on the right, let's replicate that. So shorter on the side, drawing our longest strip in the middle, and then shorter as we come over to the side again. And then again, just another little teardrop shape here. Now moving up, we're going to draw in an arch line to just add some detail above each of the eye. Let's come up in a diagonal now from here for the ear. We're just going to curve that into the top. Now from that point, let's round that out, tucking that over and back in on the top again. In the center now, let's add in the details for the middle of the ear, just curving that down. And then on each side, just following the shape of the outside to close that off, creating our small little triangle. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this across to the center. And then again on the right, tucking that over and back down. Let's come over to the middle here. We're going to curve this down to the bottom. We're just going to end that at the same height. Now from that point, we're going to tuck that over and into the chin. Now to the left of that, we're going to curve this out to the side. And then again, from that point, just rounding that out, tucking that into the side of the ear. Let's move down for the body. So in the center, we're just gonna draw in a nice big circle underneath, right in the middle. Now coming down, just drawing in an arch line. And then leaving a small gap on either side, we're just gonna curve this around and into the chin. Now from the center, let's step across and we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out on each side, ending that at the same height. And then we'll come across to the side again, replicating that. Let's come up and draw on the arms. So on the top, we're gonna curve this line down on a diagonal. We'll step in, lining that up at the same height, curving that into the side of the body as well. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now on the inside, just arching that over and through. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the top. Let's round this out on the bottom again, curving this over and in. Let's come underneath for the thumb. So we're just gonna arch this around and up. Moving up above that, again, just curving this around and in. For the second finger, continuing to just arch that up. And then one last time, we're just gonna round this out on the top, connecting that to our wrist. Let's add in a corner bracket on top of each of these lines here, just to kind of define that separation a little more. And now let's draw in a wavy line for the blood pattern. So we're gonna bring this all the way across to the thumb. We'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now let's draw on the feet. So we're gonna close off the bottom of the legs again, like we did with the arms. Moving over on the inside, just curving this around and through. Exact same thing on the top. Now moving down on the bottom, arching that over and back in. Let's move over to the inside. So on the back portion here, we're just going to curve that down to the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to arch this line all the way over and across. And now from that point, just rounding that out, tucking that back in on the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoes. We're just going to arch that back over and in. Now let's step up. We're just going to arch this line around and through to the top. And then let's come behind, just continuing to arch that down on the back. And that is it. That's how you draw Sonic EXE. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.